Hello guys, how are you? I hope all you are doing great, super fun and super innovative and creative. Look guys, if you are growing each and every day, you are successful. What is the success? Look, without success, I don't think so you can't survive in this world. Not financially, not independently, not your dreams, not your fulfill ambitions. The most important thing in a man life. Yes, a most important thing in a man life is a successful. But will you please define? Can you please give me the definition of success? What is the actual meaning of success? Because someone has meaning, others. Success means someone want to be a doctor. I mean, with a tag of doctor, he or think that he's become successful now. Some really think that he only need 5 lakh 10 lakh rupees, then he can start his own business. Then this is the definition of success. And someone just someone think that success means name, fame, all the ambitions. This is the main success. But you can truly tell me that what is the actual meaning of success? I really think so. This is my opinion and this is my point of view. Every man has a freedom to give their point of view. So, my point of view about success is that you are growing each and every day. You are learning each and every day. You are become joyful each and every day. Your life become truly happiness each and every day. If you are living in a very toxic environment, people are fighting, people are disturbing, people are annoying, okay, but you are really enjoying yourself, okay. This is the definition of success, which I am thinking so, which I am really thinking so. That's why I'm telling you, who gonna get success? 99.99% can't reach that milestone, only 0.01%. And I'm telling you what is the true definition. Success is not meaning that no, you are selected to IS and now what you gonna do? You are just taking an order of your elder and older man. So this is the definition. You are not doing any kind of good thing for your society, for your country. You are just a table, you are just a spoon. No, this is not the definition of success. People who are earning this kind of, many use UPSC aspirant. If you think that in Delhi, Mukherjee Nagar, everywhere you can see many aspirants who are cracking UPSC 8 years, 10 years, but can't crack, and then they confuse that what they want to do. Their life going to become hell. I'm telling you a reason. Just start for your own self and just become very joyful. Become very enjoyable. You have to enjoy yourself. It's very important that you are loving your company, you are loving your own zone, because these toxic, psycho, and bad people you will get everywhere. Don't just think that one day you will become IAS, then you will get a bungalow, then you will become a luxury lifestyle. Yes, you have. Yes, you have. You will get a bungalow. You will get a two car, three car. Yes, you will get. But then what, you are just living in the box? Living in the box. No one want to see your face. No one want to talk with you. No one want to shake hand with you. And people who are just shaking hand with you, all just are deal, all just are business. So don't get this kind of success. because this kind of success is like, I really can't describe how torture is this. That's why I'm telling you, success means you are growing each and every day. Look, guys, I know you are 15 and 20 students. Watch my each and every word very, very carefully. You will get a lot of solution in your life. Otherwise, you will get stuck in this in this world. I'm telling you, what is the meaning of success? What is the meaning of success? Success means you are growing each and every day. You are learning every day. Learning is not about meaning that I'm talking about books and study. No. You are learning, you are growing, and you are become joyful. Each and every day you are become happier. This is the definition of success. Okay? So if you are living this kind of life, you are successful. You are successful if you are live this kind of life. Okay? So yes, here we are some sentence and we are making a sentence and paragraph. Okay? Lead to the altar. Yes, it's about marrying. I am totally against the marriage. This is my opinion. I'm saying that don't ever marry. People who are married, I really feel sad for them. I really feel sad for them. First look at the population. 150 crore. 150 crore. Now we are the number one population in the whole world. Look at the infrastructure. 80% rural India. 20% tier 1 city, tier 2 city. Now you are marrying. What you gonna do? What your children gonna do? Automatically life gonna become hell. That's why I'm telling you, become a very successful person. Don't trap this psychopath. This world want to really psycho. If you are, cut the world. Don't ever go to any house, any marry. Cut all the world. All the world, just cut it. Don't ever go to any marry, any occasion. Because people really want to seek you. People really want to destroy you. People feel very good when someone destroy and then they telling me, oh my God, you are so unlucky. People enjoy that thing. This is why I'm telling you, understand this world psychology. Guys, I live with them. I understand very them. People are very good. People feels good when someone spoil their life and then they tell me, oh, you are so unlucky. Gods can't do anything with you. Gods really think of you. But inside they are happy person because he is spoiling. Yes, he is spoiling. This is exactly they want. That's why I'm telling you. Don't trap this psychological trap. Just step out this rat race as much as possible. Okay? Leap in the dark. It's about unconscious result. You are expecting something and now you are getting something else. Okay? The unexpected result you have got. Leave no stone unturned. Yes. This is how you will get a success. This is leave no stone unturned. Don't ever think that success psychology, success mantra you will get easily. No. You have to fight. You have to make your mind, your body like you are ready to fight till your last breath. You have to make yourself like this. Then you will get a chance. Okay, so leave no stone unturned. Fight your till your last breath. Look, guys, these people are telling you this kind of struggle. I mean, we struggle so much. We were so poor. We had a very bad time. All our people are foolish. All people are foolish. This is the also a trap, psychological trap. Struggle, if you are living your life on your own term and condition, I really don't think so. This is the word of struggle. You know what is the truly meaning of struggle? Struggle means you have no hand, you have no legs, you have no brain, you have missing your something body parts. This is the struggle, that you are handicapped, you have no hand, you have no legs. This is the struggle. But if you have a proper hand, proper legs, proper all your body parts, don't ever try to this word struggle, okay? Then you are mental. Then if you have a full body parts and then you are using this word struggle, then you are just a psycho. You are a mental. So just tell me what you are. You are a good person, clever person, smart one, or you are a mental or psycho. Just tell me. So, yes, okay, we will describe next word. Leave one in the lurch. People who do this kind of thing are really bad person, and you really should always step out of them. I mean, you always have to watch them very carefully, because they can do anything. Because really they can do anything. They can harm you easily. So don't attach to that kind of person. So yes, guys, if you are learning and growing, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and please write in the comment box, and so I can improve myself and I can make a more content for you. Look, guys, if you just like, share and subscribe me, it will boost me, it will charge me, and it will keep me motivated. Okay, thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.